How often should I replace the batteries in my Kidde smoke and carbon monoxide alarm?
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to discuss a topic that is critical for the safety of your home. How often should you replace the batteries in your Kidde smoke and carbon monoxide alarm? Keeping your alarms in top-notch condition is essential for protecting your home and family from potential dangers.
How often should I replace the batteries?
For Kidde smoke and carbon monoxide alarms, it is recommended to replace the batteries at least once a year, even if they seem to be working fine. A good practice is to change the batteries when you change your clocks for daylight saving time. However, if your alarm starts emitting a chirping sound in the meantime, it's a signal that the batteries need to be replaced immediately.
What type of batteries should I use?
Kidde alarms typically use 9 volts or Ah batteries, depending on the model. Always check your specific model for its requirements. It's recommended to use new, high-quality alkaline batteries. Rechargeable or heavy-duty batteries are not recommended due to their shorter lifespans.
How to replace the batteries?
To replace the batteries, you'll need to remove the alarm from its mounting bracket. You'll find a battery compartment, which you can open to remove the old batteries. Insert the new batteries in accordance with the polarity indicators inside the compartment. After inserting the batteries, close the compartment and reinstall the alarm on its bracket. Remember, regular maintenance of your smoke and carbon monoxide alarms is a small task that can have a big impact on your family's safety. Replace your batteries annually, or immediately if the unit starts to chirp, and make sure you're using the right kind of batteries for your specific model. We hope this video has been helpful, and wish you all a safe and secure home.